Okay, today we're going to be talking about physical changes and chemical changes. And I've got 4 things for you to observe and decide if they're a chemical change or a physical change. And as I go through each demonstration, you have a paper, an online paper, to write your observations, decide whether it's a chemical or a physical change, and then why do you think it's a chemical change or a physical change. For the first one, I am going to make fire. Maybe. There we go. So, I know you've all been around fires before and lit matches, and you can observe some things from the safety of your Chromebook, but some of the things you would observe when a fire is burning, you can't sense through the computer, such as heat, oh no, that's cool.
Yeah, that is.
That's cool.
That's too bad.
So what you're seeing above this lit match on the screen behind it is changes in the density of the air because of the heat.
Hopefully you can see that in the video.
Kinda can.
There, they probably can now.
That's really cool.
And I think I better do this before it burn my finger.
Yeah.
All right, so that was number 1. Number 2, I have water. And I have some dye. This dye started out probably as a powder, which was then mixed with water. And then I'm going to mix it with more water. So what do you observe? If I were to stir that, it would probably completely blend, and it would not be as dark as the original dye, but it wouldn't be as clear as the water. For the third demonstration, I have here some citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. And if I put them in the water, what do you observe? Did you hear anything?
I can smell it.
You can smell it? It smells different than the tablets did by themselves or water does by itself.
Hey. Kind of looks like salt water.
It does kind of look like salt water. Somebody said earlier it looks like Sprite.
Well, it does look like it's like a little bit more sugared spring.
Yeah.
Wait, why does it smell different than it is by itself without the water?
That's a good question.
Because it's mixing. Chemicals from the inside of it came out.
Okay. Last thing. I have some kind of dirty looking sand here. I'm going to set it down. I'll do it this way to make it a little bit more dramatic. So what happened there?
It magnetized.
What did you observe? Oh, that's cool looking. I've never seen it from the other side.
It's so clean.
It doesn't want to let go.
And you have to touch that, but I didn't feel like.
Okay. You're done.
Okay.